Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. I have this foam profile airplane. This is 3D airplane that I just got from an RC friend of mine for $20, and it came with a Spektrum DSM2 receiver, all the servos installed, and the ESC and the motor. So I don't know how it flies, but I'm going to test it out. I just wanted to share it with you. And I have this 3S 1000 milliamp hour battery, the GST connector, and then this requires a GST connector. So I have this. I don't know if it's going to balance well. It seems pretty lightweight, but we'll see how it flies. I'm just going to connect it to my RadioMaster TX16S and set it up, and then go outside into local park and give it a try. If you have been watching my channel, you know that I'm trying to get better in 3D flying. So this will be a great trainer to be able to fly in the local park, because the other planes I have that can do 3D, I cannot really fly them in the park. They are a little too large, but this will be perfect, small enough, light enough that I can just take it out and fly. And if I crash it, and there's a good possibility of doing that, if I crash it, it still has a lot of equipment that I can just transfer to another plane, or just very simply fix it by using Gorilla Glue and just a foam board. So it's a very simple one. I don't know what the brand is. It looks like it came as a kit, because it has these carbon spars inside. So it looks like it has been not done home built, but like professionally laser cut or something. It looks very nice. It looks like it was broken a couple times and fixed, but these usually go forever. You break it and then you fix it. It gets a little heavier because of the glue or any reinforcements you put in, but they keep flying. So I'm going to give it a try. So all the controls are all set up. Also on my TX16S, I set up two rates. They are connected to my SF switch F. Down it will be 100% throws, and then pull towards me it will be 60% of the throws for aileron, elevator, and rudder. And also the ailerons are on separate channels. I put the left aileron on channel number 6. So I can separately adjust them and sub-trim them. That makes it so much easier. So everything is ready to go. I named it Foam Profile 3D. You can see this 100% throws, 60% throws. Going between them. A lot of throws, and it's ready to fly. Let's see if there's any light left outside. It's getting darker, but I would like to fly it now. See you outside. I just came out to the park like 5 minutes ago, and there was still some sunshine at that time, and while I was getting ready, oh, you can see that everything is flying out. A storm came in, it is raining, sprinkling, and crazy wind just came in. Feels like a small storm is going over us, but there was nothing 5 minutes ago. So I'm packing shop. I'm not going to attempt flying this in this weather, so I'm going to leave it for tomorrow. I don't want to crash it. Although it's $20, I would like to enjoy this, not crash it. So I'm packing shop and going back home. This is crazy. In 5 minutes the weather completely changed. Look at that tree, it's just going like crazy, and then there are some bursts coming. So well, see you out on the field tomorrow.